When you run a business, there is definitely risk involved, and there's also a lot of small risks you take every single day. And I'm going to take some risks with you guys because I want to share a few behind the scenes that I've never really shared before, because I want to take you on the complete journey from when my fabric of my new prints arrive to when it launches on matchy.au. If this is the first time you are seeing me, hi, my name is Sav and I run Matchy Australia. It's a quilted makeup bag or quilted travel bag business, and I manufacture and produce all of the bags myself here in my workshop, and also all of our prints are designed by me. I really wanted to touch on what I spoke about in my last video. Towards the end of the video, I was talking about what I want to share with Matchy and all of Matchy's hopes and dreams. And essentially at the core of Matchy and our values is we want to bring like excitement, comfort, and a sense of like familiarity within moments that could be anxious, exciting, all the fun, good emotions. Essentially, if you're prepping to go traveling, prepping to have a baby, prepping to go to school, literally anything you do where you pack your bag, I want you guys to be super excited to pack your bag and have a Matchy bag come on that journey with you. So for my next collection, it's actually going to be a Matchy Home collection, and it's an ongoing collection. So I'm not governed by like any rules with overseas manufacturing, in that being that there's like super long wait times. I don't have to put a print in 9 months in advance. There is like some lead time with things like that, and it'll probably get longer the more I introduce prints and the more I introduce products. But for now, I don't have any of that. Literally, I can design a print, I can order my fabric, and I start building out the bulk of it. And I want to take you guys along for that process because that is what I am so passionate about. I love the process, and I think you guys might like enjoying seeing it as well. If you don't, if this doesn't work, that's fine. I won't really share much about it. But basically, we're prepping for the next collection launch, and what I want the whole collection to encompass is little things that are like representative of what is in like your dream home. I'm going to start with building out the Matchy garden. And within my dream Matchy garden, it would definitely have fruit trees. So I'm going to be starting with peaches because I would love to grow some peaches in my garden. So I want you guys to be involved as much as possible. So basically today we are going to be unboxing the 2 new prints, and I will show that to you, and then working on the samples, because the first order of business is always to create my samples just so I can approve everything looks perfect. All of my products across my product range looks perfect with the new prints, and then I can also get them ready for photographing, and I can get the e-commerce photos done as well as the campaign shoot. As always, there is risk involved with sharing things way too early, and that is because this process isn't always seamless. If I don't have a launch date, which I don't at the moment, things can go wrong like leading up to it. So if I start sharing this way too early and something goes wrong, I'll have to be super transparent about that and say that it will be delayed. But I'm hoping for mid-May for this collection to launch, and I will announce that and all of those details on my social channels when I know. But hopefully it's all smooth sailing. If it doesn't work, I probably won't do it again, but that's fine. I'd love to take you guys behind the scenes, so that's what we're going to work on today. And let's go along for the journey. As always, if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them in the comments because I would love to hear your feedback. But yeah, let's go. One of my favorite times in the process is unboxing new fabric, and I've just driven it up to the workshop and I'm cutting into it because I need to make my samples so I can get my photo shoot done ASAP. I'm so excited for you guys to see this. I might show you the sneak peeks of the samples when they're done. I'm actually going to be combining the 2 prints as well, so I'm really excited for that. But yeah, this is step 1 of the process, is fabric arrives. Pop it onto a roll, which I didn't do a very good job this time, it's quite loose, but anyway. And then, quilt it all up and make the samples. Okay, I'm just packing up to go home, or I probably won't even pack up. I'm like so tired. But it's 6 o'clock now, so I'm gonna leave. But I ended up making 2 vanity buckets. One is for a sample and one I'm gifting. And then I made a cutie carry-all bag, a carry-all bag, and also the hair tools pouch, all samples. Yeah, and then I've got the rest of the samples to do this weekend, and then I can start working on the bulb. Super happy with how everything's looking. It is just so adorable. But I'm exhausted, tired, and I've only eaten breakfast today, so I need to go home and have dinner. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. I think that's a wrap on sewing for today. So they're the hair tools pouches for now. I need to get stuck into some tote bag orders. So that's what I'm going to finish the day with. See you in the next clip. We have another package and it is the second print in this next drop. So let's open it. Ultimate peachy stripes. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. It's honestly perfect. It's quite an organic repeat, so yeah, I'm really excited about it. The only issue is I don't have another roll to put it on, so I think I just have to leave this one as is. But yeah, before I get into today, I have to pack an order, and I also need to start quilting some tote bags. But I think the priority will be to get the samples out of this, because I'm also thinking about doing this as like an accent print. So like, you'll see, but yeah, accent the print around. I'm like looking at the samples I did the other day of the peach, and I'm just like, that is so cute. It's probably the cutest I've ever done. It's on par with like Charlie Amelia, and then it like fits in so nice with the gingham. Like if you already have one of the Georgina gingham pieces, this will just like complement that, and that's like the hope with this as well, is that everything will just start to really complement each other. Okay, quick update. It's now 5 o'clock and I've just finished the train case in the peaches. I've run out of lining fabric, so I'm not able to complete everything today. I'll have to go and get it. Yeah, I've got the key pouches, the laptop sleeve and the book sleeve all cut out. I should probably quilt some more of the stripe and cut it out and get it to this point for the other items too. But I'm kind of fatiguing with my sewing, so I want to just take it easy. I really wanted to photograph this collection Monday, but I'm probably gonna have to do it this weekend, which is fine. It just means that people will see it in this vlog before I've photographed it, which should be okay. I just don't like sharing things too early, but that's fine. This is the process. This is what it is going through, and we're on this journey together. So everything will be okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really excited to bring you the first installment of the Matchy Home collection. I hope you have the best week, and I will see you guys all next Monday. Bye.